Volcanoes are classified based on eruption style, nature, and physical formation structure over time. Shield volcanoes are the largest volcanoes on Earth. The Hawaiian volcanoes are a perfect example. If you look at their shape, they resemble a warrior's shield, wide and gently sloping. The lava from shield volcanoes is low in viscosity, which means it's not thick, it's very fluid. Because of this, the eruptions are generally non-explosive and fountain-like. However, if water interacts with the lava, it can become very explosive. The largest shield volcano is Mauna Loa, located on the Big Island of Hawaii. The word composite means made up of multiple elements. These volcanoes form from multiple eruptions over time, where lava cools and hardens, creating thick layers around the vent. This gives them a conical shape. The lava here is high in viscosity, meaning it's thick. As a result, eruptions are often explosive, releasing lava, pyroclastic material, and ash. Caldera volcanoes are the most explosive volcanoes. They are so powerful that when they erupt, they collapse in on themselves instead of forming tall mountains. Explosive here means the eruption forcefully shoots upward. If lava isn't explosive, it would just flow gently, like a river. But explosive ones shoot material high into the air. After eruption, the vent collapses, forming a depression called a caldera. This also tells us that the magma chamber is very large and close to the surface. The word composite means made up of multiple elements. These volcanoes form from multiple eruptions over time, where lava cools and hardens, creating thick layers around the vent. This gives them a conical shape. The lava here is high in viscosity, meaning it's thick. As a result, eruptions are often explosive, releasing lava, pyroclastic material, and ash. Flood basalt provinces. Let's break this down. Flood means a large, sudden flow. Basalt is a dark, fine-grained rock formed from lava. Province means a large area. So flood basalt provinces are huge regions where fluid lava flows across the landscape, covering thousands of square kilometers. The Deccan Traps in India, mostly covering the Maharashtra plateau, are a great example. These areas are made up of massive sheets of granite, gneiss, quartzite, and more. A mid-ocean ridge is an underwater mountain range formed by plate tectonics. If you look at the Earth's layers, there's an oceanic crust and a continental crust. A mid-ocean ridge forms when the oceanic crust breaks apart, creating a ridge due to elevation changes. This happens at divergent plate boundaries, where tectonic plates move away from each other. When these plates diverge, magma rises and erupts at the central ridge. These eruptions form mid-ocean ridge volcanoes, often hidden beneath the ocean.